Everyone knows the Kraken, that apex predator of myth which sunk ships in seconds and ruled the seas. The next exchange on our list leans hard into that idea, clearly hoping to become the champion of the uncharted seas of DeFi and crush the competition. But has Kraken Exchange managed to adhere to its motto of forward to the open sea of success? Or is its message of power to the people a bit of a red herring? Join CoinScan as we set sail to find out. American exchange Kraken appeared on the scene in 2011, making it one of the oldest exchanges in the murky waters of DeFi. Currently, the company is headquartered in San Francisco, California, and its founder and CEO is Jesse Powell. The creator apparently foresaw the importance of Bitcoin and blockchain from the very beginning of the cryptocurrency boom, specifically its potential to aid the masses in achieving financial independence. So, he got to work. During the first years of operation, the exchange struggled to grow, but in 2014 it suddenly boomed in popularity, largely due to the bankruptcy of the Mt. Gox exchange, which saw users flock to the exchange in the millions. Initially, the listing included only Euros, Bitcoin and Litecoin, but continued to add to its offering over the years, growing steadily. That said, the company did suffer one major setback in 2017, a number of DDoS attacks, which brought the company to its knees and disrupted its platform for a number of days. Fortunately, Kraken survived and continued its journey upwards. Due to its origins, Kraken is popular amongst old-school investors, mainly based in the US. Despite this, the platform has struggled to dominate over its direct competitor, Coinbase. Still, Kraken is available in over 170 countries worldwide and has over 9 million users to date, earning its reputation as a strong, Western-based exchange. Kraken has also launched a preliminary version of its NFT trading platform for beta testing, with the full launch due in 2023. There will be no blockchain network fees for trading activities on the platform, and it will feature a rarity tracker, cash payment option, support for multiple blockchains, and a system that will reward NFT creators in perpetuity for each additional resale. Still, they are very late to the party here, so how it fares, only time will tell. Kraken can be used through a mobile app or web browser, with the latter being its pro version. However, the exchange keeps things simple regardless of which version is being used, with its design choices reminiscent of Coinbase, with simple and intuitive interfaces and clear explanations of how to perform its various functions. The platform's usability is where Kraken really excels though, perfectly balancing simplicity with functionality. The site also prides itself on being one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly exchanges, making it ideal for those who are just starting their crypto journey, and as such, it makes it far less likely they'll fire their funds into some DeFi black hole. The first action any user typically takes on an exchange is to top up their balance. In this regard, Kraken excels, as there are no applicable fees. There are withdrawal fees, however, with commission rate dependent on the withdrawal currency and method, i.e. bank account or credit card, but that's pretty standard stuff. Kraken's trading fees themselves are directly related to volume. The more a user trades, the lower the commission on subsequent buy and sell trades. Thus, the commission on the exchange is calculated according to the maker-taker principle and depends on the trading volume for the last 30 days. For example, spot trader fees on the site range from 0% to 0.26% and are calculated depending on the total volume of transactions, which of course provide better liquidity for the exchange. In addition, Kraken features various other fee brackets based on the type of trading. Stablecoin, peg token and FX pair commissions on the site, for example, are also directly based on the total trading volume. They provide high liquidity, tight spreads and minimal slippage. In contrast, their dark pool orders, separate order books not visible to the rest of the market, allowing individuals to place large trades discreetly, range from 0.20% to 0.36%, which is 0.20% more than the standard limit order rates of 0% to 0.16%. Kraken takes security very seriously. 95% of assets are stored offline in secure distributed cold storages, and its servers are held in cages protected by armed guards 24/7. Like many of its contemporaries, Kraken also offers two-factor authentication to protect user data using a phone number and an authenticator code. In addition to the authenticator application, it is possible to use a YubiKey hardware key with the site. A trader can also create a PGP key for enhanced account security if they prefer. Also, unlike other well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken also offers advanced options for using two-factor authentication. A user can allow a 2FA request to generate and add an address, confirm transfers and withdrawals, place orders, and stake or withdraw coins from their staking protocols. The fact that many crypto exchanges have poor customer service teams and options is one of the most common concerns among regular traders. Due to the lack of decent support, getting things sorted out is often quite challenging and can spell the difference between a customer using an exchange and not. So it is a crucial factor. In this regard, Kraken has built a great reputation for offering a quick and dedicated system, such as having a live chat service available around the clock and being able to answer the vast majority of questions on the spot. Kraken apparently employs hundreds of specialists for this task, formed of professionals in the crypto and financial sectors, as well as, of course, being experts in the exchange's own products and services. It seems the exchange is dedicated to upholding this reputation, and the prompt responses to requests are actually tailored to the individual rather than being boilerplate responses, which is a huge green tick for Kraken. In terms of communication types, users can contact specialists via an online chat or email. Also, there is a reference section where all stages of the working processes are systematically described in detail. In terms of phone support, only the US gets that honoured privilege, with the rest of the world having to resort to online contact. Apart from the DDoS attacks already mentioned in November 2022, Kraken agreed to pay $362,000 in compensation for violating US sanctions against Iran due to processing $1.7 million worth of transactions for users based in the country, despite Iran citizens being totally banned from trading digital assets. According to OFAC, this became possible due to the fact that the exchange did not implement a system for blocking IP addresses associated with sanctioned jurisdictions, a mistake they quickly rectified. To settle the claims, Kraken is currently investing an additional $100,000 in compliance controls in addition to the fine. In 2011, Kraken was the only marketplace in the US that allowed Bitcoin to be traded against dollars and euros. Since that time, Kraken has had many competitors emerge, but the exchange has had a strong reputation as a serious and influential player in the market and has the trust of millions of traders from around the world. Crucially, the company is developing its reach in the most popular areas, improving and expanding the platform's functionality, but still struggles against major competitors such as Coinbase. Much attention is paid to the convenience of the platform and the quality of service. In addition, being one of the first exchanges to launch has given Kraken plenty of time to mature and perfect its security and functionality, and as such is considered one of, if not the safest cryptocurrency exchange out there. While it might not be the only beast in the sea of DeFi, Kraken has certainly proved itself to be one of the most impressive out there, and its many limbs of operations should see it definitely considered as a viable trading station. I'm Stuart, aka The Wordsmith, on behalf of CoinScan.